it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I know that this does not look like much, but there is actually like hundreds of new sheets that just went up onto the website, and I will explain that in just a second. These are some new functional items though that I have just kind of been playing around with, and I actually ended up doing these icons and just being obsessed. That is where the hundreds and hundreds of sheets, I don't know if it's hundreds and hundreds, but it's a lot of sheets on the website came from. And then there were just some other things I wanted to do as well. So I'm gonna show you guys, obviously I don't have them all here. It did not make sense for me to spend hours and hours doing like one of each sheet, one of each foil color on each background color of each icon. That was just too much. But I will say we did not do a kit. If you are in the Facebook group or if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw the poll that I posted. So instead what I've done here is all of these new sheets until Sunday are on sale for $2.50. They are regular $3.50. These are printed on premium matte. And there are 4 different background colors, 4 different foil choices. I do have a bundle option available as far as foil goes. And as you guys can see, I think there's 25 sheets total, because the icon sheets, which what I have here is a sampler, each one of these have their individual sheets, with the exception of a couple, and I will talk about that. I feel like my lighting just got really yellow. Maybe not. Okay, so let's begin with the dainty icons. So these, I am just obsessed. I was just kind of playing around with some icon ideas, and then started messing around with the idea of doing like a circle with a vine and some florals and then putting the icon inside. And I'm just absolutely in love with how these ended up turning out. So as you can see, this is a sampler sheet. So for right now, and I am gonna expand on this, so if there's any colors / patterns that you guys would like to see in the future, leave me a comment down below. For now, there are 4 background options. So the first background is black marble. I really love this because everything really pops against it. I think it's absolutely stunning. The second option is a like blush pink. Third option is just a like white and gray marble, which I also am really in love with. I love marble. And then the fourth option for right now is just like a light gray. They all mix and match really well together. I do plan on doing quite a few more backgrounds in the future, as well as background colors. Both patterns and colors. Again, if there's anything that you have a suggestion that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments down below so that I can screenshot it or move it over into a list so I've got something that I'm kind of working off of. So 4 background choices for all of these, 4 foil colors. So you've got silver, rose gold, gold, and hollow. There is a bundle option where you can get all 4 foil colors for a specific sheet, and then there is also an option for no foil, because I know some people do enjoy that as well. So like I said, it would have been so much for me to print for this video, and I think it would have been really boring to watch as well. So what I've done for the sheets, there are 21 icon sheets, I believe. So there is a sheet of, I'm gonna go through the icons here if we can focus. Focus. There is a sheet of just forks and knives. There is a sheet that's a laundry sheet that has both the basket and the actual washing machine. There is a mail sheet that has the envelope as well as the package, I believe. I may have split those up, I'll have to check, but I think. There is a cleaning sheet that has got the spray bottle, the broom, and the vacuum. There is a weight sheet that has the kettlebell. There's a sheet of paw prints, a sheet of TVs, a sheet of YouTube icons, a sheet of money, a sheet of these like baking, this is like a whisk and a spoon, a sheet of cameras, a sheet of wine glasses, a sheet of scales, trash cans, popcorn / movie tickets, coffee, yoga, luggage, medicine, and then groceries. So everything has an individual sheet with the exception of a couple of the things that I thought grouped well together. If you guys want to see those in individual sheets, that's fine. Let me know, I can do it. I just thought, I don't know, for me personally, if I want like a cleaning sheet, I'd rather have all of the cleaning kind of together. So yeah, that's a ton of sheets, ton of options between foil colors, background colors, all of that. It's just a lot, and that's why I did not print everything. But again, this is your black marble, your light gray, your white marble, and this actually has a little bit of an issue, but it is almost 10 p.m. I did not want to reprint. And then a light pink. So these are called dainty icons, and then when you're on the website, you'll see either the option for the sampler or you'll see all of the individual sheets. Again, for this weekend, $2.50 a sheet, and these are quarter-sized sheets, so they are pretty big. Moving on, and everything I just said goes for all of this. All of the foil colors, all of the background colors, and I'm just gonna kind of move right along because I would like to go to sleep. We have got the bow dividers. I am obsessed with these. Also, I just did random foil colors on these so that you guys could kind of see the differences against the different backgrounds. So I love these. I think they're super cute. They are 1.5 inch as far as the width, so they will go straight across an EC box. They could be used as a header if you wanted. I'm not sure that they're quite tall enough, but I plan on using these as more of just a divider. So I'm gonna pull one up for you guys so that you can kind of see how these are cut. Excuse my computer. Also, excuse my nails. I need to get them done. I just haven't. So yeah, you guys can see. I love these. These are something that I'll definitely use a lot of. And also, if there's anything else for these type of things that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below as well. I feel like I had so many ideas, and the amount of time that it took me just to get all of the listings for everything done, I, at that point, was just kind of like over it for that time being. But I do think there's a lot of other things that could be done with these background sheets. And these are all premium matte, which makes me really excited. I feel like moving everything over to the one paper type has been really helpful. So yeah, those are the bow dividers. The next thing that I've got here are bow boxes. These are kind of similar to what we have for $2 Tuesday sheets, but kind of different, and I really love these. So these I did rose gold foil. There is the gray. There is that black marble, pink, and the white marble, and I will pull one of these up so you guys can kind of see how these are cut. So they actually go all the way around. I guess while I'm doing that, I should pull up one of these so that you guys can see these are not just a circle either. These are actually cut around like the florals. And yeah, so those are the bow boxes. Next, I did just, wow, some of these messed up and I didn't even notice it until just now. These are heart icons. These are not checklists. These are just individual hearts. So there's a ton of these on a sheet. But I thought that they were cute and I figured I'd go ahead and do them. They seem like such a nice, like, basic functional item. These are rose gold that I've got right here. And then the last item is the just individual bow, which are these. So these are gold that I've got, and I'll show y'all how they are cut. Maybe, there we go. So they're actually just around the bow as well. But yeah, so those are gold. There's the black marble. This one is messed up, but that's the pink. And then the gray. So yeah, all of these will be available with all of the foil colors, all of the background options. Again, any suggestions, please let me know down below. $2.50 a sheet. You guys don't need a coupon code for that. They will show as marked down on the website. What else? They are up now, and then that coupon code will automatically expire at midnight on Sunday. I think that's it, you guys. If there's, I can't remember, it's so late and I'm really exhausted. It's also been snowing here all day. I do have my vegan what I eat in a day coming hopefully tomorrow. I've been filming that over the course of a couple of days. It'll technically be like a what I eat in a couple of days. But if you guys have any questions, please ask in the comments down below. I hope you guys love this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.